books in book2net. Today we'll show you how the book2net large format scanners work.
book2net has developed three types of large format scanners: the Flash A1, the Mosquito A1 and the Hornet in A0 or A0. As always, a book is simply placed upon the flat cradle. The cradle is height adjusted by remote control to allow optimal scanning conditions for the respective book. The open book now has a flat surface. By pressing Start, the glass plate will move into place automatically, further flattening the pages. It reacts to touch and therefore adjusts itself upon the book. By pressing Scan, the scanner activates its lights and takes a photo of the object. The scan is available immediately on the computer and the glass plate moves back into its original position. By switching the scanner to a smaller scanning format, the glass plate does not open as far anymore and the scanning process is shorter. The automatic function can be turned on, which allows working more efficiently. The scanner now operates completely automatically and only page turning is required. Designed for large objects in general, the scanner will scan newspapers and even paintings just as easily as books. The Mosquito is an A1 format scanner with a motorized glass plate which uses a dual camera system to capture the objects. This provides a higher resolution for the scan in up to 600 ppi. The Flash is a single camera system. It has the same scanning area as the Mosquito and was designed for mass digitization of large format material in archives and libraries. The Hornet is an A0 or A0 scanner with a dual camera system for especially large objects.